Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that is on a lot of people's minds, going solar. It's a fantastic way to save money and help the environment, but it's also a big decision. How do you know if it's the right choice for you? Is it really worth the investment? The key is understanding your potential savings. Solar is a long-term investment. Think about it, a typical home solar system can cost anywhere from 1.5 lakh to 5 lakh rupees. Before you spend that kind of money, you need answers to some critical questions. Will you actually save enough on your electricity bills to make it worthwhile? Is your roof even suitable for solar panels? And what size system will give you the best return on your investment? This is exactly why a solar savings calculation is so important. It cuts through the confusion and gives you a clear picture of what to expect. It turns a guess into an informed decision. And today I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to calculate your own solar savings right from your home. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. Alright, the very first step is to grab your monthly electricity bill. This little piece of paper holds the key to everything. For our example today, let's assume your monthly electricity bill comes out to 3,000 rupees. This is a pretty common figure, as most homes in Kerala have bills ranging from about 1,500 to 5,000 rupees per month. Now, just knowing the bill amount isn't enough, we need to figure out how much electricity you're actually using. To do that, we have to convert the bill amount into units consumed, also known as kilowatt hours. In Kerala, the cost per unit of electricity can vary, but it's roughly between 6 to 8 rupees. So, for our calculation, let's take a simple average of 7 rupees per unit. To find the units you use each month, we'll just divide your bill amount by the cost per unit. So, 3,000 rupees divided by 7 rupees per unit gives us approximately 430 units. There you have it. This home uses around 430 units of electricity every single month. This number is our foundation for the next step. So we know our home needs about 430 units of electricity per month. The next question is, what size solar system do we need to generate that much power? To figure this out, we first need to understand how much energy a solar panel can produce. In a sunny place like Kerala, a 1 kilowatt solar system, on average, generates about 4 units of electricity per day. Of course, this can change a bit depending on the weather, the angle of your roof, and a few other factors, but for units, is a very reliable average to work with. Now, let's calculate the monthly generation for that 1 kilowatt system. We simply multiply the daily generation by the number of days in a month. So 4 units per day times 30 days gives us 120 units per month for every 1 kilowatt of solar panels you install. Our example home needs 430 units per month. To find the right system size, we'll divide the required units by the monthly generation per kilowatt. So 430 divided by 120 gives us about 3.6 kilowatts. Since solar systems usually come in whole numbers like 3, 4, or 5 kilowatts, a 4 kilowatt system would be the ideal choice for this home. It would comfortably cover the monthly energy needs. Okay, now that we know we need a 4 kilowatt system, let's talk about the cost. This is the part everyone wants to know, how much. Will it actually set you back? The good news is that solar prices have become much more affordable over the years. As of now, the average price for a good quality rooftop solar system in India is somewhere between 55,000 to 65,000 rupees per kilowatt. This price includes the panels, the inverter, the mounting structure, installation, and all the necessary wiring. For our example, let's take the middle ground and use an average cost of 60,000 rupees per kilowatt. Since we need a 4 kilowatt system, the calculation is straightforward. 4 kilowatts multiplied by 60,000 rupees per kilowatt equals 2,40,000 rupees. So the approximate total investment for this system would be around 2.4 lakh rupees. Keep in mind that this is the initial cost. There are often government subsidies available that can reduce this investment even further, making it an even more attractive option. So the final price you pay could be lower. Now for the exciting part. Let's calculate the actual monthly savings. we've figured out the system size and the investment. So let's see how much money this 4 kilowatt system will put back into your pocket every month. We already know that 1 kilowatt of solar in Kerala generates about 120 units per month. So for our 4 kilowatt system, the total monthly generation will be 4 kilowatts multiplied by 120 units, which equals 480 units per month. Remember how we calculated the cost per unit earlier? We used an average of 7 rupees. So to find out the monetary value of the energy our solar system is producing, we multiply the units generated by the cost per unit. 480 units times 7 rupees gives us 3,360 rupees. This means your solar system is essentially saving you around 3,300 rupees every single month on your electricity bill. Annually, that adds up to a significant amount, 3,300 rupees a month multiplied by 12 months is 39,600 rupees. That's almost 40,000 rupees saved every single year just by harnessing the power of the sun. With an investment of 2.4 lakh and yearly savings of 40,000 rupees, the next logical question is, how long will it take to get my money back? This is what we call the payback period, and it's a crucial metric for any investment. The calculation is very simple. You just divide the total investment by the annual savings. In our example, that's 2 lakh 40,000 rupees divided by 40,000 rupees per year. The result is 6. This means it will take about 6 years to completely recover your initial investment through electricity bill savings. Think about that. For the first 6 years, your solar system is paying for itself. But what happens after that? For the rest of the system's life, the electricity it generates is practically free. And here's the best part. Solar panels are incredibly durable. They come with a performance warranty of 25 years or even more. So after just 6 years of payback, you have nearly 2 decades of free electricity ahead of you. Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. A 6-year payback is great, but what's the total profit you can expect over the entire 25-year lifespan of the solar system? This is where the true power of this investment becomes crystal clear. We know the system saves you about 40,000 rupees per year. So over 25 years, the total savings would be 40,000 multiplied by 25. That comes out to a staggering 10 lakh rupees, or 1 million rupees. Now, to find the net profit, we need to subtract our initial investment from the total savings. So 10 lakh rupees minus the 2.4 lakh investment gives us a net profit of 7.6 lakh rupees. That's right, over its lifetime, this solar system could provide a net benefit of around 7 to 8 lakh rupees. When you look at it this way, it's easy to see why solar is considered one of the best and safest investments you can make for your home today. It's not just an expense. It's an asset that generates value for decades. Now, I know that doing all these calculations with bills and unit costs can feel a bit confusing or time consuming. You might be wondering if you got the numbers right or if there's an easier way, and there is. That's exactly why we created the solar savings calculator on our website, Solartoall.com. It takes all the guesswork out of the process. When you visit our site, you can get a free personalized solar savings estimation tailored to your specific needs. We'll help you find the correct kilowatt system size for your home, calculate your precise payback period, and even connect you with trusted vetted solar installers right here in Kerala. All you have to do is visit Solartoall.com. Just fill out the free solar quote form on the website. Our team will analyze your requirements and help you choose the best possible system, ensuring you get the maximum savings and a hassle-free installation. It's the simplest way to start your solar journey. I hope this detailed breakdown has helped you understand how to calculate your potential solar savings and see the incredible long-term benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family who might be considering solar, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And here's a little challenge for you. Comment your monthly electricity bill amount below, and I'll personally reply and tell you the ideal solar system size for your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.